All right, let's try this trail here. So the question is, you know, how much power does this thing have? Well, the answer is, has a shit ton of power. Way more than you need for the trails, but it's pretty fun. You can't really just get on this bike. I mean, you have to respect it, and you have to use throttle control and a lot of good clutch control to properly use this bike. And you gotta know your limits. This bike does have smooth delivery, so it makes it easy to control. But if you want to be an idiot and whiskey throttle it, it'll throw you right off.
Hit neutral in there. But yeah, one thing I was afraid of is flying through there like that. Someone comes around the bend coming the other direction, especially a fucking quad. I thought I heard something at one point, so I had slammed on my front brakes. But yeah, it's something I don't like. I usually like the tougher trails because there's usually no one around, but I get tired out too easy right now, so I can't go on them. So that's the best I can do right now.